syempre, hindi naman tayo magtatapos without also thanking all the Blooms and everybody, all the casuals and everybody who watched and supported Beanie's Signal concert at the Kick-Off World Tour at the MOA Arena last June. And ngayon nga sa darating ng July 11, and nasa Cebu naman. So, first concert, Filipino concert, I think that will be at the newly opened SM MOA Cebu. The simplest way to say it. It will be the first Filipino act to be there. Both exciting and scary kasi syempre, first nagagamit ng concert. So hopefully walang maging problema, technical and everything. Everybody bago first time din ng MOA na fully operated for a concert. So hopefully the audience experience will be smooth. And I hope the concert viewers would just have patience kasi this will be new for everybody, even for SM to operate the arena in Cebu for the first time. So we'll be there. We'll see you, and hopefully we all enjoy. We pray for a good concert for Beanie. And also, since pag-usapan na rin Beanie, I'll take this opportunity to, on behalf of ABS-CBN and Star Music and Star Events and also Star Magic, I'd like to personally apologize to all the Blooms who were hassled or were inconvenienced by our decision to postpone to a better date, actually, the European leg of Signal's World Tour. Alam niyo po, it was not an easy decision. It was a joint discussion, lots of meetings and discussion with our agent, the team, formerly Wasserman, now the team, and all the promoters and ABS-CBN management. Ang promoters po, sila po yung producers namin sa iba't ibang lugar. So iba-iba pong promoters, so meaning iba-ibang promoters, producers, kasi sila po yung technically bumili po ng Beanie Signals show and decided kung saang cities ipapalabas. So all the 6 cities in Europe, that yun po yung na-desisyonan na itinerary for Europe because yun yung mga offers na natanggap namin from the team and from the different promoters in Europe. When we decided on having a world tour, it was actually last year. We really wanted to have a world tour for 2026 after Coachella, and after a successful Coachella stint, diba? We were very hopeful with a very, very hectic schedule or very hectic calendar for the world tour. And we're very happy to have received offers from different promoters in North America and Europe for a BD Signals World Tour concert. Actually, kasama dapat yan ng Middle East, pero alam niyo naman po ang nangyari because of the war, the US-Iran war, which really, unang-una, ang na-disrupt dyan ay natanggal yung sa itinerary namin, yung Middle East. We were supposed to go back to Dubai and some other cities in the Middle East, but because humaba yung gera and the oil crisis affected everything. So, una pong naapektuhan yung Middle East leg po ng World Tour. And then, syempre, humantong na nga po kami dun sa desisyon when, there was a joint discussion and realization, especially in the European market, because of the unexpected prolonged war. Ang impact nga po niyan ay yung oil crisis. Naramdaman naman po natin yung effects na inflation epekto sa ekonomiya, hindi lamang sa Pilipinas, sa buong mundo. And talaga naman pong nahirapan. We will have to admit, I will have to admit, seeing what has happened, nahirapan ang lahat na involved selling that market. Actually, makita nyo naman yung epekto, di ba? Nagkagera, nagka-oil crisis, apektuhan ng ekonomiya, nagkaroon ng inflation, pati yung cost na dating budget namin na mas mababa yung dolyares, ngayon mas mataas na siya because of nag-iba yung exchange rate. So naging mas mahal mag-produce ng mas mahal ngayon magdala ng isang tour around the world. Kasi nung pinaplano naman namin ito, hindi naman namin alam na hahaba talaga yung epekto ng gera. And we were hoping that we will be able to mapanindigan, di ba? To do the but to be honest, it's economically not viable at this time to continue the European leg. To explanation sa amin kasi postponement because we wanted really to go on with it some other time. We don't know what's the best time. I think we've met MQ and Mami Jeff met with some of the blooms from the EU blooms, and we've explained our side, and we said that yun na nga, we really wanted to push through with it, but unfortunately there are some when we termed it, it's unforeseen, as unforeseen circumstances, because there are a lot of factors beyond our control and bigger than us that has affected the viability of pushing through with the concert in Europe. Nagkakaroon ng confusion kung postponed or cancelled. As we discussed it with our agent, best to postpone it to a better time, but we need to cancel it because we needed to refund the payments that were given for the tickets. So it's a matter of terminology and context. And dun po sa nagkakaproblema as much at nagkakaproblema sa refund, iba-iba po yung refund process po per territory and per ticket platform and per promoter. And with the situation of ABS-CBN, syempre, all things considered and everything that's happening, it's best really to cancel it for now and just postpone it to a better time. And also, kung sa North America naman po kayo, I hope you try to catch the girls because I think tatagalan bago magkaroon ulit ng world tour sa North America ang BINI. So I hope you can take the opportunity to see the girls live in North America, which is in the US East side, East Coast, West Coast, and in Canada as well. Tuloy pa naman po ang iba pong legs of and where you still see the girls in, as I said, North America, in Singapore, in Taipei, and in Australia and New Zealand. So please do catch them because we don't know when the next world tour will happen and which cities they will go to. So again, I would like to apologize to all the blooms, especially the EU blooms, who have made arrangements to be in the concert, have bought tickets, and made arrangements to help promote. Logistically, they've poured efforts and a lot of excitement. So you have every right to get disappointed. You have every right to get upset. Hopefully someday we can schedule during a better time, plan out a BINI concert in the European tour. So pasensya na po ulit sa naabala namin, paumanhin. Please know that we value the effort and we value the feedback. Kahit masakit, sa sobrang sakit ng feedback at sa mga salitang nabibitawan, naiintindihan po namin yung frustration nyo at yung disappointment nyo. But for now, on behalf of everybody on the BINI team and the ABS-CBN management, we're very sorry that we had to come to that decision of canceling for now, and postponing for another time, a better time, to have Bini go to Europe, enjoy the blooms there. So, pasensya na po ulit sa mga nabala.